What's up, dude?
Good morning. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no worries.
It's gonna be a game changer.
Hell yeah, let me show you some of these tips and stuff. You don't use one of these, right?
Yeah, I used one before.
These two are really helpful too. This is like clamps, like think clamps. You can hold this down.
Yeah.
Change the angle and just push it.
Yeah, what I'm making today is pretty simple. It's
Okay.
Just, you see that little wooden block right there?
Yeah. Oh, that. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's way too high right now. I just
Okay.
need the bottom one, but it's kind of ugly.
Okay.
So we chop everything, you know what I'm saying? So I want to make something like this. So 2x4s and then just.
Are you gonna make it out 2x4s or 2x6?
2x4.
Okay.
Yeah, 2x4. Like this, but then 2x4.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
And then the squares are really nice. This is called a square. Right? Really nice though.
That's a triangle though.
They call it. It's always because everything's squared up.
So I got some leftover 2x4s that I'm gonna use to make the platform.
I don't give a crap. I'm taking a dirt now. Don't need no earn. I'm feeding the world. Don't call me lazy. I'm pushing a daisy.
Looking good. Shout out to Mike for letting me borrow your saw. Next we're gonna be using this as the placeholder. So this is the idea of it. I'm gonna be drilling holes down here to insert screws, and then we're gonna stain the wood. Got the holes drilled. All right, next we're gonna be cleaning up the wood. So the reason why I'm not chopping this bike yet is because there's a swap meet coming up next week. I wanted to check out the swap meet and see what parts I can get and then start on this bike. Stay tuned. So this just came in. Let's see what it is. So it's actually a jack that I bought from Amazon. So I've been using this one that I made for a while now. I didn't want to spend the money. So what I did was I used a car jack and I welded this fucking metal piece on top. And as you can see, it's just bending. I was being cheap, you know, but whatever. So now I bought this one. Should be a lot better and safer.
Whiskey in the evening, cigarettes all day long. I'm running low on faith, lower on pride. I'm out of love, but I still got drive. I feel like a fool.
This is the before and after. Still got a decent lean to it.
So we're going to the flea market in San Jose today. So a flea market is where people who hoard a lot of stuff, like this guy, can rent a spot, and then you go out there and you just lay out all your items, and then people kind of just walk around, check it out, make good conversations, bargain, and then haggle a little bit of the prices, and you find some cool stuff. If you can see all those tents and cars parked, that is where the flea market is. And at night, they turn it into a movie drive-in. Dang, it's super packed today. It's gonna be it's gonna be a good day. And then this is the parking lot. You can see it's like filled up too. And it's only 9 a.m. Usually they open, I think, at 6:30 a.m. It's gonna be a good day. Anyone who goes to the flea market knows that those carts is what you need. Damn, that line though. Oh my gosh. That's how cracking it is, guys. So with everyone else's little wagon cart, we got our own here, makeshift, from my 5th grade state school project. We got our own is it radio flyer? Customized by Sanmai. Don't break it! You break, you buy. Time to get in this long line. And let's see how long it takes us to get in.
3 hours later.
More like 12 minutes. We just got into the flea market and you can see there's like a bunch of vendors selling like DVDs, belts, clothes, basically anything that they've been hoarding for a long time. People kind of just lay everything out, bring their tables.
This is where you buy cheap tools.
So don't ever say you don't have
tools. Yeah.
There's always something.
So we just found Taw's carbs. Check this out. Look, Taw, these are your carbs.
What are they doing out here?
Wait, that's a Supra. Is that a Supra? That's a Supra. It's a Supra. Just scored this for $2. There you go. Wait.
Hey! It's Woody. What'd you find?
Don't want to so load that, son.
San's gonna give up lane split and become a DJ. For all you bobber breakdown fans, this is going to be the next outfit that whoever breaks down will wear. Make your predictions. Who's it gonna be?
Look, we found Woody again.
Oh, he made his way here.
He looks happy at these.
And he has his buddy. They say this is a collectible.
$65. Look at the legs. Those are real legs.
Them legs though. Legs for days. Legs for days.
What'd you get?
I got these tamarind candies, watermelon, and mango.
Stock hike?
Lane split hike. We just got some oranges, 3 pounds for $1. Let's see if they're sweet though. Endless supplies of fruits and veggies. Yeah, it has a very Vietnam vibe. Look, $1 a pound. Can't get any cheaper than here. Look at that huge papaya. Quick little haul video. Perfect. Okay, so we got this, a hook thing, like a towel hanger, towel hook.
$2.
For $2. We tried to offer $1, but guy's like, nah, I buy it for $2. I need $2 back. So we're like, okay, $2. Found a little Hot Wheel, of course. And then we got 9 pounds of oranges. We saw people buying it and we're like, okay, well, must be good. And it was 3 pounds for $1, so we're sold. And that's it for today's haul. Okay, part 2 of today's adventure is we're going to Vlyn's house where they're going to be playing Mobile Legends.
No.
Wow, look, it got bright right when I said Mobile Legends.
No, we're playing motorcycle stuff.
Let's be real. They're gonna be nerds. Look who we found!
Hello.
But look who we also found!
Oh, they got a Tundra too. I was like, who the fuck's looking at us?
What are you guys doing?
Moving to AO, I think.
We're not moving, that's for sure.
I think I'd rather go to Target.
We're not moving, that's for sure.
Target.
We're going Target. Bye, suckers!
Just got to Vu's house. Check out his new build. Actually old build, but this is version what, Vu?
Version 3. Oh shit, I didn't see you there. Oh my bad, I'm just wrenching. Now this is BBQ The Third. So super fancy name. What we did was we cut off the whole top section to run a single backbone down, and then we're running the dual wishbone, so everything's gonna be clean throughout. A lot of people that do a single backbone actually just go up to wherever the stock part is, but that's ugly as hell. So we decided to get this bend. Shout out to Milo from Milo Fam. He took some time out of the day to bend that tube up for me. And then these tubes were bent with Young's handy dandy bender. But yeah, if you guys attempt this, buy a shitload of tube because you know you get a lot of trial and error, you know. So it took like 5 pieces before this came through.
So where are you gonna debut this bike?
Hopefully at the Lnspltblvd. So if you guys are gonna go, you guys are gonna see this build. Hopefully, it will run. There's a couple of things that I'm gonna be doing that's gonna be hard to do. So I don't know if we'll make it. But yeah, we got the Springer front end in. We got the DNA. We're gonna do with the 2-3 choppers wishbone. And then check out this. This is my tank. It's a 1.6. But look how sexy it looks on the bike.
Oh, this is narrow.
Yep.
The narrow version.
Super narrow.
Ooh.
That's sexy. Sexy. But yeah, so right now I'm just cleaning up the frame, getting it all ready for the final weld. So for all you guys that don't have tube notchers, you need to notch your tubes to get it to fit right. If you go online, there's free diagrams. You just put in your base tube diameter and then the diameter of what you're gonna be mating it to, and you can cut out this. So you just wrap it on here. It fits the tube perfectly, and then you just trace and then cut. Bam, easy peasy.
Damn, that's legit.
Who needs tube notchers, bro? Not us.
Work smart, all right, not harder.
I ain't got money for a tube notcher, bro. So yesterday, in the spirit of chopping, my chop saw broke. So I couldn't chop anymore, so I had to go buy a brand new one. I tried to fix it, but that thing's lasted me like 5 years, so I'm pretty happy. So I got a brand new one right here. Huh?
Ooh, brand new.
Brand new.
Oh, lasting up 5 years.
And then I started welding up my frame. I had a tack weld, and guess what happens? My fucking helmet breaks. So at the same time, I had to go buy a new helmet, but I just took the straps off and put it on my old one because I got dope stickers on it.
Ooh, improvise.
Yep, let me check this out. New strap. Ride, wrench, repeat. Fucking famous, mild, Lnspltblvd, Thieves, the refinery. Woo. Harbor Freight. So yeah, that's what happened.
Oh yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to Vu's channel right here.
And so my regular vlogs, just like traveling and stuff, will be my regular one. But anything motorcycle related, like when we go on rides or anything, it'll be like, you know, on that one.
And then this car too in the future.
Yeah,
it's going on the vlog too. So this is a car that Vu's gonna be working on.
It's a 1927 Mercedes Gazelle.
Gazelle, single backbone, Honda Shadow, first in San Jose.